1 Samuel chapter 24. Nu, in Saul won hame vervechten via Philistines. He was telt that Daavit was in the Roch country about Engedi. Says Saul took 3,000 men, picket for the hail of Israel, and Gaed to seek out Daavit and his men on the east side of the Steens or the wild goats. Nu on the road, he come on some books, near on a cave, and Gaed into a cave to do his business. Daavit and his men were hiding at the back of a cave. Daavit's men said to him, "Do you mind on a maester saying he would deliver your fay into your hand some day, you may do whatever you please with him?" Well, this is it. Sign, Daavit got up and cut it off a fit of Saul's robe, a thought him kenning fit had been deen. Afterhind, Daavit felt a bitty guilty about fit he had deen, and he said to his men, "Guid forbid that I should do anything ill to my maester, a maester's anointed, or lift a finger agin him, 'cause after all, he is a maester's anointed." Said Daavit persuaded his men nae to harm Saul. Saul got up and gaed out to a cave. Syne Daavit gaed out to a cave after him, and cried to Saul, "Your Majesty!" And when Saul looked round, Daavit bowed himself down till a groan. And Daavit said to Saul, "Fa's been telling you at Daavit means you ony ill. You've seen for yourself who a maester delivered ye into my hands a day into his cave. Some would hae hid ma kill you, but I didna do ye nae harm. No, says I winna raise my hand agin his majesty, 'cause he's a maester's anointed. And Fitzmair, my father, see this bitty I cut it off a fit o' your robe? Aye, I cuttet it off, but I didna kill you. So ye see, there's nae thought o' doing ye ony ill or harm in my noddle. I've done you nae wrong, yet ye chase after me and seek to tak my life. Myth the maester jeed ye twa us. Myth he avenge the wrongs ye've done till me, but I'll nae lift a finger agin ye. As the all saying goes, nane bit a card will do ye ill, but I'll nae lift a finger agin ye. Fa is it at the king o' Israel is after? Fa are ye chasing? A deed tyke or a fleck? Lot the maester be a jeed atween you and me, and see at I'm erect and deliver me out o' your hands." When Daavit was through wi' his sail, Saul said, "Is this you, Daavit, my loon?" And Saul roared and grat. And he said to Daavit, "You're a better man nor me. You've been guid to me, and all I've done you is ill. You've proved yoursel a richt gate a day, 'cause when a maester delivered me into your hands, ye saved me. There's nae mony folk catches their enemy, and syne lots him awa. Myth the maester see ye all richt for fit ye've done to me a day. I can find at some day ye'll be a king, and Israel will do weel under you. Nu swear to me be a maester, ye winna do ill to my folk, and ye winna let my folk be forgotten." Daavit swore to Saul, and Saul gaed awa hame. But Daavit and his men gaed back to their Steeny hideout.